Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of veganism with 10 simple steps to help you embrace plant power. Listen, I know going vegan can seem like a big change, and it can feel overwhelming at times, but trust me, it's an incredibly rewarding journey for your health, the planet, and all its creatures. We're going to take this one step at a time, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's kick things off with something super simple and delicious, upping your fruit and veggie game. You know I love a good plate full of vibrant colors, and that's what we're aiming for. Start by adding an extra serving or two of your favorite fruits and veggies to your meals. How about some juicy berries with your breakfast, or a big ol' salad with your lunch? Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different combinations. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Try roasting veggies with herbs and spices, blending them into smoothies, or making yourself a big bowl of colorful stir-fry. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. All right, my friends, it's time to put on our detective hats and learn the art of label reading. This might seem a little intimidating at first, but trust me, it gets easier over time. The key is to look for hidden, non-vegan ingredients that might be lurking in your favorite packaged foods. Some common culprits to watch out for include dairy products like whey, casein, and lactose, as well as eggs, honey, and gelatin. Don't worry, though. There are tons of amazing vegan alternatives available these days, so you don't have to miss out on your favorite treats. One of the most exciting parts of going vegan is discovering all the incredible plant-based alternatives out there. From creamy cashew cheese to meatless burgers that taste just like the real deal, the vegan food scene has exploded with deliciousness. Start by swapping out your usual cow's milk for almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. They're all creamy, delicious, and perfect for pouring over cereal, adding to coffee, or using in recipes. And don't even get me started on vegan ice cream. It's so good you won't even miss the dairy. Now, let's get those aprons on and have some fun in the kitchen. Exploring vegan recipes is like embarking on a culinary adventure, full of exciting flavors and textures. There are endless possibilities when it comes to vegan cooking, from hearty stews and flavorful curries to light and refreshing salads and decadent desserts. Start by browsing online recipe blogs or investing in a vegan cookbook. Pick a few recipes that catch your eye and get cooking. Don't be afraid to experiment and put your own spin on things. Cooking should be fun and intuitive, so let your creativity flow in the kitchen. Let's talk nutrition, my friends. It's important to make sure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs on a vegan diet. The good news is that a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the essential vitamins and minerals you need to thrive. Focus on incorporating a variety of plant-based foods into your diet, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. If you're concerned about meeting your nutritional needs, chat with a registered dietitian or nutritionist who specializes in plant-based diets. Going vegan is so much easier and more fun when you have a supportive community behind you. Connecting with other vegans, whether online or in person, can provide a sense of belonging, encouragement, and a wealth of knowledge. Join online vegan communities, follow vegan influencers on social media, or look for local vegan meetups or events in your area. Sharing your journey with like-minded individuals can make all the difference. And you never know, you might even make some lifelong friends along the way. All right, my friends, let's talk meal planning. I know it might not sound like the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to staying organized, saving time, and avoiding those last-minute what's for dinner. Set aside some time each week to plan out your meals for the coming days. Browse your favorite recipes, make a grocery list, and prep any ingredients ahead of time. Having a plan in place will make it so much easier to stick to your vegan goals and avoid reaching for those non-vegan convenience foods. Remember, my friends, going vegan doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing thing. It's perfectly okay to transition at your own pace. In fact, gradually replacing dairy and meat in your diet can be a gentler approach that allows your taste buds and your body to adjust over time. Start by swapping out 1 or 2 meals per week with vegan alternatives. For example, try a meatless Monday, where you enjoy delicious plant-based meals for the entire day. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the number of vegan meals you incorporate into your week. Let's be real, we all get those snack cravings throughout the day. And when hunger strikes, it's best to be prepared with some yummy vegan snacks on hand. This will prevent you from making those impulsive, non-vegan choices when you're feeling peckish. Stock your pantry and fridge with a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, vegan protein bars, or even some homemade energy balls. Having these healthy snacks readily available will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Listen, my love bugs, transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is a journey, not a race. There might be times when you slip up or face challenges, and that's perfectly okay. The most important thing is to be kind and patient with yourself throughout the process. Remember, every small step you take towards a more compassionate and sustainable lifestyle makes a difference. Celebrate your successes, learn from any setbacks, and never give up on your goals. Remember, every little bit counts. By taking it one step at a time, you're making a world of difference for yourself, the animals, and our planet. I'm so proud of you for embarking on this journey. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful guides and delicious vegan recipes. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay kind, and keep shining your light.